Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to cancel US bank credit card. So in order to cancel your US bank credit card, first of all, open a web browser. In the URL box at the top, type in usbank.com and search. Doing this will take you to the official website for US Bank. From the main homepage, click on the support option at the very top of the screen. Once you open up the customer service search option, scroll down and look for the Contact Us tab. Here you will be able to find 3 different contact options. To make an appointment, click on Make an Appointment and then create a personal or business appointment according to your account type and schedule a time to talk with the banker virtually. Select your service from the list and select phone call under how will you be attending the appointment. You can also choose to connect with them in person or connect with them with a video call. Follow through the instructions and schedule a meeting in order to talk to US Bank representative. You can then go ahead and tell them that you'd like to cancel your credit card. You can directly call to the customer service representative by choosing the call option in the middle under Contact Us, and while speaking to a customer service representative, tell them that you'd like to cancel your credit card. Be sure to include your account information and a clear statement that you want to close your credit card. You can also find a branch nearby you and speak to an agent regarding your card cancellation. So that was how you will be able to cancel your US Bank credit card in just a couple of steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.